Finn asked me to marry him.
What did you say?
I said I needed to think about it.
Life's too short to even care at all. Whoa. I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, losing control. These fishes in the sea, they're staring at me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The wet world aches for a beat of a drum. Whoa, whoa. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. One more spoon of cough syrup now. Whoa. One more spoon of cough syrup now.